I think people misunderstand Australia in that they think that because we speak English, we are the same as the USA or the UK, and they don't really understand that we have our own ideals and our own culture. Australia is a very multicultural country, and it takes quite a lot of understanding to be able to know how you should deal with your employees, how you should position your company if you're going to come to Australia, and how you're going to market your products or services. And so we assist clients to help them with the traditional legal issues, but to enable them to culturally manage the setup in Australia. And we help them with everything from not only the legal issues, but setting up publicity material for them, press interviews, things that go a little bit further than the normal legal service. The traditional legal market is competitive, but the work that we carry out is very varied, and it depends upon the sector of the particular client. It may be services, it may be manufacturing, it may be health, it may be heavy industry, but each has their own issues, and clients coming in need to understand how they can navigate the way in which those industries are operating. We generally act for a lot of offshore companies who invest into Australia, and we help them with all of the regulatory issues that they may need, and try to ensure that we guide them in the right way for the various issues that arise, whether that be tax or thin capitalisation rules, or our Foreign Investment Review Board permission if that's required. We try to help them navigate all of the various things that they would require to invest in Australia. And we try to provide them with the various services, such as we offer directorships and secretary registered office, the general things that are necessary, and we also try to refer them to like-minded accountants for compliance. We're a firm located in Sydney, which is a city of about 5 million people, and we are a corporate and commercial firm, and we act for both local companies as well as foreign companies that wish to invest in Australia. We also carry out work in real estate, sport law, family law, and wills and estates, and these areas are often cross-border issues because Australia is a multicultural country, and a lot of the residents in Australia have requirements in the countries in which their families came from, and we're able to assist them with each of those problems. If a client approaches us about carrying out a piece of work, we generally don't like to simply just give them advice about that piece of work. We like to try to understand their business and what they're doing and what their objectives are. And we try to fit in the piece of legal work into that overall objective, so that maybe if it's a difficulty, then we might be able to have some other alternative or more creative solution to the problem. We differentiate ourselves by taking a holistic approach towards the client, trying to think about their business, trying to worry about how they position themselves in the market, so that when they have legal needs, that we are familiar with their position, so that we can try to provide quick and an immediate response. If you are a foreign company who wishes to invest in Australia, then we are happy to assist you with all of the legal requirements that are necessary and to help you with your establishment of that business in Australia, and we'll help you navigate the cultural issues that are necessary, and we'd be very pleased to do so.